One of our favorite things about camping is cooking on an open fire. Today we're going to show you the basics on how to fire up roasted corn and hot dogs. First things first, let's get a fire going. My preference with this type of grate would be a pyramid fashion. It's important to point out that not all properties have this type of grill topper. Be sure to pick one up and bring it along with you. So today, as we mentioned, we're making two recipes. We've got sweet corn and picked up a few of these. These are easy to get from a farmer's market or grocery store. And another favorite, we picked up a pack of hot dogs, hot dog buns, ketchup and mustard, all the classics. For our corn recipe, this one's very straightforward. You pick up the sweet corn, butter, salt, pepper, and of course some tongs to move it around on top of the grill. That's it. All right, let's head back to the grill, get the fire started. All right, the recipe for the corn's pretty simple. This goes straight on top of the grate. This you're gonna leave on for about an hour in the husk. So just throw it right on top. Hot dogs, a little bit different. So we're gonna drop these on top. They're gonna cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. One pro tip for anybody who's new to camping and you're at a resort or a campground, a lot of times if you happen to forget something like tongs, ketchup, plates, even firewood, be sure to check with the campground store. They will likely have what you're looking for. All right, it's been about an hour, so we're gonna check. Everything looks good. You just wanna make sure along the way that you rotate them frequently enough so it doesn't burn through the husk. And our hot dogs, we finished those a while back. They only took about 4 to 5 minutes. Now that the hot dogs are in the woods, it's time to jump on the corn. Our favorite recipe is very simple: butter, salt, and pepper. Here we're buttering the corn. Next comes the pepper, but a little too much. Whatever, just use your finger, rub it in. And of course, salt. There's a lot of recipes. You can add paprika and so on to add different flavors. So that's our recipe. What's yours? Be sure to share them down in the comments below. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and be sure to share it with some friends and family that would, maybe they don't put enough pepper on their corn. See you next time.